how to add a tag to a contact in Systeme.io. So if you are looking that how you can tag the list or the people inside your Systeme.io account, watch this video because I am going to explain you the couple of ways in which you can do it, and after watching this video you know exactly how you can tag people inside your Systeme.io account. So let's just begin without any delay. So here we can do a couple of things. So the first and the very straightforward way is you will go to this option of sales funnels, and you can what you can do is whatever maybe the funnel you have, what you can simply add the tag. So for suppose let's pick this funnel, and suppose this is the squeeze page. As you can see, first of all you have to select the squeeze page, the page in which you are collecting the email. Okay, that will be the page where you will do this automation. Then what we will do, we will select this automation rule. Okay, and then what we will do, we will select add rule. Then what we will do, we will select the trigger, and the trigger is funnel step form subscribe. Select this option. Okay, so here it will like show you the name of the funnel, that this is the funnel in which, and this is the funnel step in which you are adding this automation. And then when the funnel form step is subscribed, what action we want, we want the action that add a tag. Okay, select this option, add a tag, and then here you will be able to see the list of tags. Okay, just select the list, any of the list that you have. Okay, let's suppose this is the list, and then you will save the rule, select the tag, whatever maybe the tag you want to add, and this is how you will select the trigger, you will select the action. The trigger will be the funnel step form subscribed, and the action will be add a tag, and this is how you will be able to tag any of the people who will like visiting this particular landing page and entering their email address. What will happen, the tag will automatically be added to them, to all the people. So this is the first way of doing it. The second way of doing it, because let me just remove it. Okay, delete this rule because I have added this just to show you. The second step way is what you can do is you can go to workflows. Okay, workflows, and let me just show you one of my workflow. So or let's just do it from scratch. Okay, you will create a workflow. Let's just name it, suppose it's a test. So save it. Now we have this test workflow, select it, create a trigger, and the trigger will be like, what will be the trigger? Okay, so suppose the trigger is funnel form subscribed. Okay, funnel form subscribed, then you will select the funnel, you will select the funnel. Let's suppose take the same funnel again, and then you will select the, yeah, the landing page. Okay, the landing page in which you have your form. Okay, um and then, okay, this was the funnel I think, and this was the landing page. Okay, and let's create it. So now you have created the trigger. Okay, when the funnel form is subscribed, the action is, you will go to this option, select the action, and then you will select apply a tag here. Okay, and then you will select the tag, you will select the tag, and then you will create it. Now what will happen, whenever a funnel form is subscribed, and this is the funnel, this is the funnel step, you have to select the step in which like you have your opt-in page. Okay, these are the various steps. This is the opt-in page, this is the thank you page, this is the video after that. This is a 3-page funnel. So this is the first step in which we are collecting the lead, we are collecting the email. So we have to select this option. Okay, and then this is the trigger, and then we will add the action, and this is the action, apply the tag, and then we will select the tag that we want to use. Okay, and this is how you will be able to do it. So this is the second way of doing it, and let's just go and see what other options we have inside it. So we have funnel form subscribed. Okay, blog page form subscribed. Suppose if you want to do it with blog page form, you can do that, you can do that as well. Okay, but I don't have any blog page. But if you will have it, have a blog, you can select the blog, and then you can do the same thing. You can add the, you can apply the tag here also. Okay, in this option also you will get it. And let me just select, see more options. Okay, uh, webinar registration. Okay, you can select webinar registration also, and you can do that here also. You will be able to apply the tag. So you have like here couple of options, and you can use these options and see like where you are getting the options of adding tags. So here also you have tons of option to add the tags, right? Let's just exit this option, and let me show you one direct way. So direct way is like, you can do this. These are the two ways in which you can do it on automation, right? Whenever you are building the funnel, you can add the automation rule directly and do it, or you can create a separate workflow. If you have like do a couple of automations together, you can use the workflow. And the another way that you can do it manually. So basically what you will do, you will create a contact, and then suppose you are collecting the leads through through social media. You are collecting the leads through maybe a chatbot or something like that, maybe a Facebook group. Then what you will do, you will simply come here, you will add the email here, you will write whatever maybe the details you have with you, and then you can select the tag, whatever maybe the tag you want to add, and you will save it. And what will happen, it will also add the tag. So these are the three very common ways of doing it inside Systeme.io. And the straightforward rule is like, you see what option like best suitable for you. If you have a very simple funnel, a one or two step funnel, and you are not like doing so many automations, you can simply use this option of rules inside the funnel directly, the first method that I have shown you. If you are like doing if you have a multi-step automation, like suppose if you want to add the tag and also you want to enroll them in a course, and suppose you want to do one more thing, like if you have 2 3 automatic options together, then what you can do, you can go and you can use this option of workflows. And if you are collecting the emails through social media, through chatbots, through Facebook groups, then you can use this direct option of adding by directly copy pasting the leads. Okay, so these are the three ways that you can use to create the tag inside Systeme.io. I hope now you know exactly what are the different ways of doing it. uh, we have this new pipeline option here also, and we can do a couple of things here also. I will show you about it in maybe the next video or in future video. So that's all for this particular video, guys. I have tons of videos on my channel related to Systeme.io, many tutorials the people are finding very useful, so just go watch them. And also if you are planning to upgrade the Systeme.io from free to paid, or any of the higher level paid plans, you can like check the details about all the plans in the description. And at the same time, I have an exclusive community for the people who are like upgrading to the premium with my affiliate link. It's a Crush It with Systeme.io affiliate community in which I will help you uh, to solve the problems that you are facing in your Systeme.io account by doing one mastermind call every month, in which we can like discuss about the growth and discuss about the various things, the challenges that you are facing inside the Systeme.io, and we can share the solutions with each other. So this is going to be a kind of mastermind, exclusive mastermind for paid Systeme.io members. And if you want to be the part of it, you can check the details. If you will upgrade it with my affiliate link, basically you have nothing to lose if you will upgrade through my affiliate link, but it will help me to like run this channel and everything that I do on the internet. So that's all for this particular video. Watch more videos, just tap the card on the screen. Thank you very much.